Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to make your profile private on X. So first of all, open X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. Now as you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety. Now from here go to audience and tagging over here, and at the very top of your screen you should see this option that is called protect your posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your profile private on X. So let's enable it, and from the moment that you make your account private on X, only your current followers are able to see your posts on X on your page, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you a follower request that you must manually decline or approve. So let's tap on profile picture in the top left, and in this menu you have to select follower requests, where you can manage your followers. You can accept them or decline them. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.